So today I'm gonna go over my ICP from today's class. So I'm gonna start with my employee program. So here I have the class employee, define the employee count, define the total salary, initialize each name, salary, family, department, each one is defined. And then each time there's an employee that's initialized, I add one to the count. And then each time there is an employee added, I add whatever salary to their total salary. This is the display employee function. And then I have my child class for the full-time employees, which inherits their properties from the first employee. And then here's my defining two employees, display them, average them, and then here I have my full-time employee, which is displayed, and I'll run that real quick. Employee name, Kara and Zara. I just kind of made them random names, but I only printed the employee one, which is Zara, so employee one, Zara, printed, total employees 2, and then it'll show the average right here, my average function, which is up here. It just takes the salary divided by the employee count, and that gives you the salary averages. And then right down here, this is where I have my the full-time employee, and he's displayed right here. Moving to the Wikipedia parsing challenge. So I have the imported libraries necessary to complete, and I have my web scrape, so it runs through, request the URL, and then I use the beautiful soup function to parse it. It retrieves the title, pretty simple right there, and then it defines like a list, fills the list up with the links, returns the list, and then I have that I just called the test when I was testing it. Runs it, prints the title and the links. Prints the title and there's the links. And lastly, I have my NumPy program. Imports the NumPy library. I have my variable defined as x. It creates a random array of size 20, where I define my highs as 10s, the size is 20s, and the data type says ints. Size 20 randomly generated, and then I have it reshaped to a 4x5 array, and then I replace each value with a 0. Each max value with a 0, where the max is found, it's replaced with a 0, and yep, that's it. I'll run it. So 20 reshaped 4x5, and then I have, so we can compare 3. So the 9s are switched, and then the 8 is switched, and then the 7 is switched, and then the 9 is switched, and that's it.